In this video, we're going to be washing a ball cap. Look at that. Got some stains on the outside and certainly the inside, so let me show you how I did it. Now, this ball cap is actually not that old, a couple of years or so. So how do you do it? That's the question. Here it is, a couple of shots from the outside and the inside. Now, good news and bad news. Good news is I figured out a way to clean it pretty efficiently and pretty well. Bad news is we're not going to get the stains all the way out, as you'll see here in a minute. But we're going to put it into the washer, and I've got obviously some detergent. I use those little squares as opposed to the liquid, just to cut down on plastic. And you can see my settings here on my washer. Got delicate setting, colors. We'll keep it on colors. And I'll adjust the water level to the appropriate load. I've got it on cool, and we'll go ahead and click that start button and let this thing fill up with water. I'm going to put the hat underneath the stream directly, although that may shift as I close the lid and it begins the cycle. But you get the point. Once the cycle's done here, let's take it out. Now keep in mind this is just what worked for me. If it distorts your color at all, I guess that's possible depending on what type of detergent you use. I'm not sure enough, but look at that. It looked like it got out most of the stains. We've got some deep stains on the inside that look pretty dark, but it was wet, so let's dry it out. And once it's all dry here, certainly took care of the outside stains pretty well. Very happy about that. And the inside also looks pretty good. I'd call it maybe 80% cleaner.